Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Are you from Canada or Mexico? Then, if you are, you may qualify for the TN visa. That is known as the Treaty Nafta visa. And those are very similar in some respects to an H-1B, ones that require college degrees or a certain level of experience mixed with certain education, or even just all experience in certain respects. And some, there is a NAFTA guide which will list what types of positions are available, and it differs from whether you're from Canada or Mexico. Also, the procedures that you use to get the TN are different depending which country you come from, but you would be able to get the TN without having to get prior USCIS approval like you do with many other types of visas. They can be the consulates or the port of entry and various other designated places, especially in Canada. And the TN can be renewed over and over. The problem people run into with the TN is that if you apply for residency, for permanent residency here in the U.S., you will most likely have trouble renewing the TN because the TN, you have to have an intent to go back to your home country once you are done with the TN. And if you're applying for permanent residency, you will not have that ability to show that intent to go back. So a lot of times, if you get the TN and you get it for 3 years and you ultimately want residency, what you should do is come here and then basically very soon after you get here, apply for the perm and the various processes to get the green card. So the TN is a great work visa if you happen to be from Canada or Mexico, and we're talking, engineers, doctors, lawyers, teachers, accountants, all kinds of types of professions that if you were not a Mexican citizen or not a Canadian citizen, you would not be able to apply for. The TN applies just to those two countries. Okay.